Welcome to the latest update from the world of digital marketing innovation. As technology continues to reshape the landscape, staying ahead of the curve is essential for anyone looking to make a mark. Today, we're thrilled to spotlight a significant achievement that underscores this very ethos. Mustafaa, known as your digital marketing specialist and the visionary behind the Digital Domination Tribe, has proudly earned the AI Prompt Engineering Certificate from Chegg Skills. This accomplishment is a testament to Mustafaa's dedication to leading in digital transformation and providing top-tier marketing solutions to clients and communities. The AI Prompt Engineering Certificate program offered Mustafaa cutting-edge training in crafting and optimizing prompts for AI platforms like ChatGPT. Armed with this certification, Mustafaa has enhanced his prowess in AI-driven content creation, digital automation, and innovative marketing strategies that propel brands to new heights in today's competitive environment. Reflecting on this achievement, Mustafaa shared, "This course significantly expanded my understanding of AI and prompt engineering beyond previous limits. The insights from expert instructors, including Roger, unveiled opportunities one hadn't imagined. I'm eager to integrate these advanced capabilities into my digital marketing services, empowering clients with intelligent, AI-driven strategies." In his ongoing mission with the Digital Domination Tribe, Mustafaa is committed to equipping entrepreneurs, brands, and businesses with the necessary knowledge and tools to excel in the digital age. His newfound skills in AI complement his extensive experience in digital marketing, content creation, and online branding. For those interested in consultations, partnerships, or speaking engagements, you can reach out at www.digitalmarketingwithmustafaa.com or directly contact Mustafaa at letstalk@digitalmarketingwithmustafaa.com. About Mustafaa, your digital marketing specialist. Mustafaa is a certified digital marketing expert, public speaker, and content strategist with a passion for helping individuals and organizations excel in the digital arena through tailored marketing solutions, AI-driven strategies, and compelling brand storytelling. As the founder of the Digital Domination Tribe, he is dedicated to empowering digital entrepreneurs with the skills and systems necessary for online success. Looking ahead, Mustafaa plans to launch new AI-powered services under the Digital Domination Tribe brand. These will include personalized AI prompt consulting, corporate training on AI integration, and an upcoming digital course on leveraging prompt engineering in content marketing. These offerings aim to enable entrepreneurs, small businesses, and organizations to fully harness AI's potential to expand their digital footprint and enhance performance. Stay tuned for future announcements on workshops, webinars, and digital products designed to help you conquer the digital landscape with confidence and strategic insight.